girls in my times there. Word of Paul Wall, not one fronted. Birthday in my first year, man, I know that place like I come from it. Backstage at Warehouse in 09 like a spun coming. Dead as anyone coming before I show up there and there's no one there. These days I could probably pack it for like 20 nights if I go in there. Back rub for my main thing, I've been stressed out. Talking to her like that, yeah, and they didn't want me, I'm blessed out. Talking to her like this, dropping a million copies get pressed out. She tell me take a deep breath, too worried about being the best. Money got my whole family going backwards. No dinners, no holidays, no nothing. There's issues at hand that we're not discussing. Look, I did not sign up for this. My uncle used to have all these things on his bucket list, and now he's acting like, oh well, this is life, I guess not. Listen man, you can still do what you wanna do, you gotta trust it. Heard once that in God times when you need a sign, that's when they appear. Guess since my text message didn't resonate, I just say it here. Hate the fact my mom cooped up in her apartment, telling herself that she's too sick to get dressed up and go do shit like that's true shit. All my family from the M-Town that I've been around start treating me like I'm him now. Like we don't know each other, we ain't grow together, we just friends now. She got me feeling pinned down. Pick the pen up and put the pen down. Writing to you from a distance like a pen pal, but we been. They get on my motherfucking nerves. I saw them rats in the dirt. I'm smoking that pack and I'm muddy. Taliban on these hoes. Give a fan to these hoes. Got a plan with their nose. I sleep on the bitch Fuck all these bitches, I'm keeping come on. I pull up right now, I'm parallel. I hit you up on the swingers. My niggas ain't never some bangers. I sit in the trap with the gangsters. You can come around here cause it's dangerous. I be hanging around here, I'm famous. Gotta keep the trigger by my finger. Hit a sideways when I bang it. In the driveway on a perk. I was sideways on the perk. Had a stick on me, that's first. Got your bitch on me, getting murdered. I post up and that's confident. I boast up and I drop 6 and a Ghost Royce and I pop shit. I'm a dope boy with that cot trip. I came in the game and had crack on me. Got babe on my back with some act on me. I'm single and shit, now she lashing me. I told him I'm back on my bachelor. I get focused on millions and everything. I just took me a trip out to Africa. See how we came from the mud and the bottom. I see how they counting this, I bet they never gon' do it again. See why they niggas be hating, they knowin' I'm going right in. I was born to get this money and this life is sad. I pulled up before they got my dog on murder again. See the fire come out the ass on the Lamborghini. When you say you love a nigga, do you really mean it? When I was sleeping on the floor, you should see how they treat me. I pulled a activist pop pills so I can fight the demons. I did the digital dash. I put the bitch on the passenger. I get the junkie a blast. I said it go to the mama. Out on the street like the mama. You rats will never be honorable. They know I'm a kid of my word. I hustle the first to the first. These bitches be nagging the kid. Fuck it, it is what it is. If you get hit, you get hit. I don't forget or forgive. Told myself never again. I don't let nobody in. Super just showed out again. And we just keep serving and serving again and again and again and again. I'm really game moving redness. I'm Harlem shaking through the pressure. I'm Michael Diddy on my next shit. I'm Michael Fitch in on Wednesday. I'm not here for no pretend shit. Just walk in with a girl that's making triple what I'm making, what an interest. That's when you know it's a body. Zone since they know it's a body. Kirkwood they know it's a body. Little Mexico know it's a body. Scooter in here with the zombies. Gucci get out, that's a problem. I might take Quentin and Follies. You hate your life, just be honest. I got the digital dash. She want a picture with all of my niggas that just made the visual last. But she too embarrassed to ask. I got my foot on their neck and my foot on the gas. You remind me of a quarterback, your shit is all in the past. That's going booming, they got it on smash. And I got the I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. This fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got
ain't